Public hearing on state rates for deaf and hard of hearing independent living services, DHILS. Hello. Massachusetts State Law, Chapter 257 of the Acts of 2008 requires the Executive Office of Health and Human Services, EOHHS, to establish and update rates paid by state agencies for purchasing human services. EOHHS will hold a hearing to gather comments about proposed rates for 3 independent living and community services: Deaf and Hard of Hearing Independent Living Services, DHILS, purchased by MCDHH, Vocational Rehabilitation Independent Living Services, purchased by the Massachusetts Rehabilitation Commission, MRC, and Recovery Learning Communities, purchased by the Department of Mental Health, DMH. The proposed new rates are planned to go into effect on July 1st, 2017. The proposed rates for DHILS are unit rates and will be used for DHILS contracts beginning July 1st, 2017. After this public hearing, and after the new rates are finalized, MCDHH will post a request for response, an RFR, for the next cycle of DHILS contracts. The RFR will be posted during the winter of 2016 to 2017. The RFR is a competitive bidding process. MCDHH will award the next DHILS contracts and fund the DHILS services with the proposed new rates. The public hearing will be held on Friday, October 28th, 2016, from 11 a.m. to 12 noon in Quincy. During this 1-hour hearing, the public can testify on the MCDHH DHILS rates and on MRC Independent Living rates, IL rates, and on DMH Recovery Learning Community rates. Individuals can provide testimony in 3 ways: in person, via email, and in writing. Individuals who want to testify in person can notify EOHHS ahead of time and can have an earlier opportunity to speak. Speakers who want to testify can register online in advance or upon arrival. Please submit electronic testimony as an attached Word document or within the body of the email with the name of the regulation in the subject line, 101 CMR 428.00, rates for certain independent living communities and services. Include your full name, mailing address, and organization or affiliation, if any. Mail via U.S. Post to EOHHS must be submitted by 5 p.m. on November 4th, 2016. Interpreter and cart services have been confirmed. If any additional access accommodations are required, contact the Disability Accommodations Ombudsman. EOHHS may adopt revised action taking into consideration relevant comments and any other practical alternatives brought to its attention. For more information, official notice of all public hearings and rate details, please see the links below. Thank you for your attention and participation in this process of establishing rates for independent living community services in Massachusetts.